Hello everybody. Here is our video update for week 3. Okay, I'm going to lead you through everything. So please watch this before you actually start to do anything this week. Once again, I'll make this so you can see what it looks like. All right, so week 3, September 8th and 10th, 2020 objectives. Please read the objectives for this week. And also please read about how to join teams. Okay, so that's going to be important for you to read that. Next, going over to our weekly modules. We are in week 3, September 8 to 10. And again, here are the objectives. And we have a self-reflection, number 1, that's due on Sunday, September 13th, 11:59 p.m. So what you're going to do here is, well, I'll show you in a minute. Then we have a discussion due. And then this week, our topic is multiple intelligences, and I'll go into that in more detail in a moment. This is our assignment for this week here. You can read all of this on your own. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you'll need to read all that. And then this is the down here are the resources for our self-reflection. These things you should have seen and already done. The PDF version of Eat That Frog, the Eat That Frog workbook. And then I've included in here 2 new videos that talk about Eat That Frog. And then I put something in here new about SMART goals. And you'll have to watch that video about SMART goals. I just want to rearrange something while I can. Yep, there we go. Okay, so let me just close that again. So here are the personality tests. Then here's a video about SMART goals. Okay, this is going to be important for you to understand part of the homework, self-reflection. So you'll need to watch these 2 videos, and then this is the 4 tendency quiz, which you've already seen. I'm going to go through everything first generally, where to find everything, and then break it down for you. Now, in the discussion section, there is 1 new discussion board for week 3 about multiple intelligences. Okay, and most of you understand already how to get into the discussion board. So I'll spare you that. Okay, just make sure that it's looking like you'll see it. Okay. Right, now to submit your assignment, I made a short video about that, but I'll preview that again. You go to assignment submissions, and you will have self-reflection number 1, personality due. Okay. First thing that you're going to want to do is click on the document that's attached, so that you can download and open the document. Okay. The next thing that you're going to want to do is save it for yourself so that you know that it's yours and I know that it's yours. So the way that you're going to do that is you're going to go to File, Save As, and then over here it's going to be your last name. So if it's your last name is Smith, you type in Smith. If your last name is Johnson, you'll type in Johnson. So it's going to be your last name and then a period or a dot and then FYE self-reflection 1 and then automatically Word document. Okay, so whatever your last name is, that goes here. Click Save. Okay, so let's go through, let's go through this one by one so we can make sure you get it. Objective. By now you have explored your personality types, your tendencies, your multiple intelligences, and what you need to accomplish fastest in order to make a significant impact in your life. Step number 1 is first respond to these prompts and fill in the required information. Some of the areas are part of this Word document, so you can type your responses directly into these graphic organizers. Others are PDFs that are pasted in, so you'll have to insert shapes over the image. I will indicate which one is which. And then 2, submit this questionnaire with the free PDF results that you save from the website. If you do not know how to save a web page as a PDF, watch the videos again. That is posted on YouTube on my NVCC YouTube channel. And I'll make sure that there's another one on there for that. And then submit this questionnaire and the PDFs via Blackboard assignment submissions only. If you do not know how to do this, view the video that I've made, which is already up there, and posted on YouTube on my NVCC channel. And this is due by Sunday, September 13th, 2020. Okay, the first part is eat that frog. And then you're going to answer this question. Successful people have a strong orientation toward the future. Their attitude toward time, their time horizon, influences choices and behavior in the short term. What are your goals and where do you see yourself? Use this chart to map out your 5-year, 10-year, and 20-year goals in the areas of business, success, financial independence, family relationships, and health issues. Right? So where do you want to be in 5 years? So you can type directly in this. Right? So like for me, it would be my own ESL, and language school. That is entirely by Zoom, right? Financial independence 5 years from now. Pay off my car. Family, friends, and relationships. Yeah, basically. Continue building, strengthening them. At this point in my life, I already have a lot, so, right? Health and fitness, and I would definitely, 5 years, I would like to lose and maintain loss of about 35 pounds. Right? So see, you can type directly into this chart. Okay. Next, scrolling down, And for this part here, we have to insert shapes over this graph. Okay. And where are you right now? Take a minute to grade yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 in each area, 10 being the best. Put a dot on each score and connect them for a sense of your current life. So, in this case here, financial independence, I want to insert a shape. As you see, I need to do this here. I'm going to, what shape am I going to use? What shape can I use? It's a basic shape. Maybe I just use a triangle. Where am I on financial independence? I'm probably around here. Family relationships. Okay, so I need to insert again. Insert another shape. I'm just going to keep it the same one. Relationships. Definitely around here. Health and fitness. Paste. For health and fitness, it could be better. Just health and fitness. Shape. Health and fitness. Probably down around here somewhere. And business success. I guess I'm probably pretty close. Probably around here. Now I need to make connectors, right? So to draw lines. I'm drawing one like this. And then I guess I could kind of just, oh, that's not really good. Let's try that again. Like that, I guess. And then like this. And like this. Definitely not a perfect diamond. Right, I'm gonna hit save just to make sure that I'm not losing stuff. Okay, so that's how you would put your diamond in, you put your shapes in, your dots in. Okay, you use the insert and then insert a shape right over the graphic. And then, what is your strongest area? Explain in 5 to 10 sentences. I determined this. And again, you can type here, I think that family relationships, right? What is your weakest area? Do the same thing. Then this asking me about my priorities. And posteriorities. Again, you can type right in this. Just go insert, put in a text box, and you should be able to put in a simple text box. Just a simple text box. Priorities. Just simply type in. Just like that, you can type in your priorities like that. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be in. And again, hit save just to make sure that you're not losing anything. Answer this question. Answer this question. You can type right in here. Just put an X or whatever it is. Fill those out. Answer the question. Answer the question. Put in your code for your personality type indicator in your Enneagram. Okay. and your principal Enneagram, and your personality trait, and your career profiler. Respond to these questions. Your DISC assessment. Respond to the question. And then making a SMART goal. This is where you'll have to watch the video about SMART goals. And then you'll put in your SMART goal right here, and then you'll send this in to me. Again, you're going to save it as your last name. Then make sure you close it. Right. Then what you'll do is you go back to the Blackboard assignment submissions area. And again, you're inside here now. What you're going to do is, remember, you're not writing the submission here. Do not do this. You're going to do it on Word. Right, so you've already done it on Word. So then you go to Browse My Computer. Excuse me. You're going to go to wherever you saved it to. Click on it. Click Open. Now it'll be here. Now I'm going to submit this, but I can't submit this to myself. So I'm going to get a red banner, but you will get a green banner saying that's been submitted. Make sure it's attached. Click Submit. And then you will get a green banner saying that's been submitted. You can check that by going over to My Grades. And if it's been submitted correctly, you'll see a green exclamation point here. Okay? You'll see a green exclamation point or exclamation mark. Do not email me, do not call me wondering why you have that. As long as you have a green exclamation mark, you should be fine. If you don't have a green exclamation mark or exclamation point, go back in and make sure that you've submitted everything correctly. If you've done that and you still don't have this green exclamation point here, please email me and I'll see if I can figure out what's going on. But do not email me the assignment. Okay. And when you get the green exclamation point, don't email me asking me when I'm going to grade it. I will grade it and get it back to you. Please be patient. There are lots of you in this class, so it'll take me some time to get it back to you, but you will get it back. Okay, going back to the weekly modules, we're in week 3. Okay, that was the self-reflection of personality. Again, you can click here and it'll bring you right to the submissions area. Okay, there's one discussion board this week. I already showed you that, but I'll just show you how to click here. It'll take you to the discussion board. Week 3, multiple intelligences. Please read the criteria. Click here to open it. And then you will have to create your thread. Click create your thread. And then make your entry. Back to the weekly modules. Multiple intelligences. You're going to click here. And then there's 1, 2, 3 videos. It would be great if you could watch these 3 videos before class on Tuesday. And if not before Tuesday, then definitely by Thursday. Although you'll probably be lost tomorrow if you don't watch these 3 videos. Then these are the resources that I was talking about. You'll need to save them. and it would certainly help if you could do them before class on Tuesday. Okay, and certainly it would be better if you could print them out and do them. If you cannot print them out, then at least have them completed so that way you can refer to them throughout the class. Okay. And there are three surveys. This one here is a PDF about how we learn, the science of learning. And it's just something to read. And it would be great if you could read this before class on Thursday. And that is our overview for week 3. I'll send another video probably on Wednesday with what specifically we need for Thursday. All right. If you have any questions, please email me at jhalsband@nv.edu. But first, watch the video entirely before you email me. Okay? See you tomorrow.